Hey everyone, we are a little helpers down here getting ready to cut some boards to make some cribs, like jack stands to put underneath the trailer. That way I don't have to tie my...
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. My only jack stands up, but
Up here.
I'm going to
Up here.
let me see if I can get it turned around here. Alright, so what we'll do is, I don't know if you can see this or not. I gotta keep the camera away from the little one. She likes to help. But what I think we'll do is we'll just go through. It don't have to be perfect. Careful, watch your head, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Like I said, it don't have to be perfect. I don't think 12 inches is going to be enough for the cribs. Let's see. Here, let me have that, please. Thank you. I think what we're going to have to do is probably about 20 inches. Yeah, it is our neighbor. They're going. I think this might be a little bit easier to do if I, Addison? No, baby. No. And that's another reason why I want to get these on here like this. Watch out, sweetheart. Watch your fingers.
Wait, what?
There's another one. Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh yeah. You're gonna draw something?
Yeah, me draw a big dad. Me pick. Me draw be happy.
Okie dokie, pokey, no. Come on.
Whoa.
Whoa. Let's go back over here on this side.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Huh?
Daddy, me what you?
I love you too.
Me what you? Me what you? Happy Shower.
Hey, can you? Oh no, that'll pinch your fingers. Hey, can you bring me my pencil, please? Bring it around the front.
Put up here. Oh, Daddy.
All right, bring it to Daddy, please. All right, you hold your drink for me.
Okay.
Hold your drink. Oh, hold still. You got it.
There you go. That's not that. How did that? That's not that. Where's my movie? Where's my movie?
You're making a movie? All right, well, look up here and wave. Say hello.
Hello.
All right.
Where's my movie?
Good job, Addie. I love you. Now. So I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm not gonna put them together, but let me back up. But this is how I'm gonna do the crib blocks. Cool, cool. Lay it right there. Thank you.
Ow.
Goodness. And I'm not gonna fasten them all together at the same time. I'll do maybe, well, I'll have to see how long my nails are that I've got. But I might just do like the top stack, the middle stack, and then that bottom layer. So it would be a 3-layer put together. Are you a puppy?
You're a puppy.
I'm a puppy.
But you.
But let's see here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 boards high, so that puts us at about 18 inches. Well, it looks like the show's been stolen here, huh? What do you think about those? But yeah, they're gonna be heavy on but I mean, they're really heavy duty, and if I ever need any blocks to put anything else on, it was really the only thing I could think about to not just throw away those 2x6s. For one, don't take them, and for two, you're not supposed to burn them. So it was really the only option that I had. It's getting really windy out here, so I'm gonna get the little one in and get her fed and get her down for nap. But it was a beautiful morning until this wind picked up. But thanks for watching, and we'll get back at this here in a little bit.